Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ingestion reliability with AWS Kinesis and CloudWatch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify ingestion reliability with AWS Kinesis and CloudWatch, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Kinesis Service dashboard. Choose the Kinesis stream you want to investigate. Observe the details of the selected stream, including the total number of shards and their status. Next, head to the monitoring section of your Kinesis stream. Review the incoming records metric to understand the volume of records being ingested. Pay attention to the read provision throughput exceeded metric, which indicates if there are any read capacity issues. For a deeper analysis, switch to the CloudWatch console. In the CloudWatch dashboard, select Metrics from the left sidebar. Search for Kinesis and choose the relevant metrics related to your stream. Examine the incoming bytes metric to monitor the data volume being ingested over time. Check the getRecords.success metric to ensure that consumers are able to read from the stream successfully. Look at the incoming records metric over a specified timeframe to identify any sudden drops or spikes in data ingestion. Set up custom CloudWatch alarms to alert you when certain thresholds are crossed. To do this, go to the Alarms tab within CloudWatch. Click on Create Alarm and follow the prompts to select the metrics you want to monitor. Configure thresholds according to your application's requirements. You may also want to enable detailed monitoring for more granular insights. Once alarms are set up, use AWS Lambda functions to perform automated actions based on these alerts. Consider running load tests to simulate real-world ingestion scenarios. Analyze the performance metrics during and after these tests to ensure reliability. Finally, consistently review CloudWatch logs for any anomalies or patterns that could indicate ingestion issues. Regularly check your IAM permissions to ensure that your applications have the correct access to Kinesis and CloudWatch resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.